How to fix Discord connection issues. Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, How to Browser. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process, so please follow along with me and watch this video until the very end. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I was seeing a looping animation on my screen a couple of days ago. So I realized that's actually the signal, that's the primary indicator that Discord is not working properly, and you can also have some problems with your messages. So in this video I'll show how you can fix this problem. How I solved this problem, I simply deactivated a proxy or a VPN on my iPhone. But maybe even if you're doing this will not solve the problem, so that's why I'm going to show you different methods, different ways to solve this problem. Now let me show you how you can deactivate your proxy on your iPhone. So what you need to do right now to turn off proxy is just to go to settings and now go to Wi-Fi, and now you need to go to tab on your internet connection on this eye, tab on the eye right here, and now you need to scroll down until you see configure proxy right here, and if it's set to automatic or manual, simply turn off. Simply choose this option. Now let me show you how you can turn your VPN settings as well. So let's go to settings, and now you need to scroll down and tab on VPN. Tab on VPN right here. And now what you need to do is to status here is connected. You need to tab on it and disable status, disable personal VPN. Now is not connected. Maybe there's a technical issue with Discord, and if you restart your iPhone iOS device, then maybe you can fix this problem. So what I recommend you guys to do is to restart your iOS device. Just hold on the top of the button and then slide off, turn off. Also, another thing that you can do, this is another method. So please follow along with me, guys, and disable airplane mode. Just right here. Disable airplane mode because this will disable your internet connection or cellular data. So yeah, just turn it off. Now, if you've tried all these methods and still your Discord is not working, you should uninstall and reinstall Discord. This maybe will help you, but it's worth it to try it. And another method is to simply update Discord. So go to App Store, and now here search for Discord. Here search for Discord, because maybe the reason why you're getting this error on your Discord app, maybe the reason is simply because you need to update your app. Now look, if you need to update Discord, if it shows here update button, then you need to update Discord. Okay guys, so this is the last method you can try, which is to update your iOS. Simply update your iPhone, because maybe the new update will fix some internet connections errors. Happened to me on my iPad. I just updated my iPad, and a problem I had has been solved. Now this is the end of the video. I hope this video helped you and fixed your problem. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. See you in the next video. Take care.